there's a sound NASA never wants you to hear. The mysterious ocean sound is called the bloop. In 1997, hydrophones in the Pacific Ocean picked up a sound so powerful it baffled scientists. The noise was unlike anything ever recorded in the ocean, louder than a blue whale and lasting for several minutes. No one knew what caused it, and some say we may never truly know. Some scientists suggest the bloop may have been caused by massive ice cracking near Antarctica. What do you think caused the bloop? Comment below. Subscribe for more mind-blowing mysteries.